Okay, let's take a start. My name is Asad Yaqub, and we're going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. How important is money to you?
Basically, money is the need of every person, and this is also a need of mine too. So, money is important for everyone.
What sorts of things do you like to spend spare money on?
I like to spend money on my hobby, which is cricket. So, I spend my money on cricket for buying my kit of cricket. So,
What was the last thing you bought yourself as a treat?
uh, I bought cricket kit for me as a treat because I like cricket too much. So it is a treat for me to buying a kit of cricket. So that's why I bought that.
Is it difficult to control your spending?
Yeah, it is not much uh, difficult to control your expenses on of money on that. So it is not much difficult.
Okay, do you try to collect money as well?
Yeah, try to collect money as because I I want to purchase many of things of cricket from that. So I collect money and for my future. Uh,
Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe something you bought that you had to save money for. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Alright, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
uh, the thing I bought from my saved money is a cricket kit, which the money which I saved for that. I collected money from for my cricket from recent 3 months from my pocket money because I like a proper cricket kit for me, and this my aim is to for a future player. So I save my money and buy a proper kit of hardball cricket. So I bought that from, and it is very meaningful for me for buying a for bought a cricket kit, and there are many things in it. There are pads in it, and gloves, and a couple of balls there, and bats. Uh, so I bought that from the market,
Okay,
and
thank you. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Do you think children should be taught to save money?
yeah, children should taught to save money because they need their needs, and to meet their needs they have some money for, because not every time they uh, mm, bought money from their parents.
Why do some parents give their children pocket money to spend each week?
Because this is a need of every child, and this is a very good thing to give money to their childs to meet their needs. And I think, in my opinion, this is a very uh, good thing to give money to their childs to meet their every kind of need.
Should children be allowed to buy anything they want with the money they have saved?
No, I think not everything. They buying a good thing and a valid thing, which gave them a you can you can say it, gave them a benefits.
Alright, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Now, the first thing is repetition of words. Like in part one, you said so many times. So, and all that. Another thing is repetition of ideas. Like that cricket kit, you talked about it in every answer. So try to change your ideas. In one answer, you can use the cricket kit. In second answer, you can use any mobile phone you purchased. Because if you use the same ideas, naturally you are going to use same words. And if you use same ideas, same words, that is what we call repetition. Examiner understands that you have very limited knowledge, and that will be the reason for low band score. So try to answer every question differently. Okay.
Okay.
As we moved on, there were so many pauses. You took pauses as well, and in part one, your answers were very short. So you need to add some more to your answers. Okay. Ideas, repetition, and then grammar mistakes. So looking at your overall performance, at present I'll give you 5 band, but with a little improvement you can make it 5.5. But for 6 or 6.5, you will have to work hard with your grammar, ideas, vocabulary, and all that. Thank you.